Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying essentials so you can sign in securely. First, confirm the exact Apple ID and password you use for iCloud. Retype them slowly to avoid typos. Once done, make sure your iPhone is on a reliable Wi-Fi or cellular connection and not stuck behind a login portal. Also check settings general date and time and set to automatic, and install any pending iOS updates to prevent protocol mismatches. Now you'll perform the core fixes that resolve most sign-out issues. Go to Settings Messages, toggle iMessage off, wait 10 seconds, then toggle on and sign in, repeat in FaceTime. If authentication still fails, reset network settings or briefly toggle airplane mode to rebuild connections. Make sure your Apple ID is active on Appleid. Apple. Com and that two-factor authentication is set correctly. Sometimes reauthorizing a device fixes token errors and restores messaging. Finish by restarting the iPhone to clear session caches and force service relogs. After reboot, send a test iMessage to confirm success. Double-check settings messages send and receive to ensure the correct address and phone number are selected, and review blocked contacts. If you still see signed out errors, sign out of iCloud completely and sign back in as a last resort. This refreshes tokens. If that fails, the key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.